Hi, in this video, I will show you make viral AI videos with Reelio. So first, you need to sign up for free. You need to go to Reelio, create an account here. You can avail the fee forever plan with no credit card required. One video project, up to 3 videos, each up to 20 seconds. Essential features like AI scripting, visual voiceover, and watermark output. So once you have created an account right here, this is what it looks like. You can create an account using your Google account, which is for me the easiest. So this is the main interface of Reelio. So these are the tools that you can use here in Reelio. On the left side, you can choose from any of this here. So basically, you can now select create series or single video. You can choose your visual style. So let me tap on create first series, click this one. And then here, what you're going to do, select the destination to be published. You can choose YouTube this one, but I just select first email to check. And then here, you can select video type, but I just want to try the custom prompt. So I'm going to type or enter the prompt right here. You can follow this one. You can ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for you. So once you have your prompt right here, what you're going to do next is select narration voice. Just tap this one right here. And also, once you're done, go to language. You can select language right here and also duration. So since we're using the basic version, I can only use this duration right here. Ratio, let's just say 16:9. And then here is for the art style. You can choose from any of this here. So let's just say I want to choose this photorealistic. Click this one. After that, tap on Generate Video Series. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, video successfully created. After that, you can recheck or review. And then once you're okay with the title, description, and whatsoever, you can now tap on the download video right here and then post it to your YouTube, to your TikTok, or whatever platform you have. So basically, that's it. That's how easy it is. You can upgrade when ready for more volume and branding control. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.
As tension fills the air, the mystery box reveals broccoli, chocolate, and chili.